if it's made in Korea. Kimchi, is it kimchi? Or what's kimchi? Kimchi is one of my favorite. Oh my god, it's very, very delicious. Need to find the shida and the paste. Oh, wala ba dito yung sa mga supermarket? I like natural noodle soup. Oh, kimchi. Kimchi talaga. I really like kimchi so much. Like, very, very, very. I like kimchi, but no. Really, I like my kimchi very, very spicy. I like my food very, very spicy. All my food. Oh, duck egg. Ah, wala. It's not common here in the Philippines, ano may sabi mo da? Hi, guys! Sorry for the noise here, guys. Nakagawan na ako ng before as you wait ko. Ay, ganun. Tapos hinanap-hanap mo. I have a small allergy in spicy. Oh, that's very sad. Masarap siya. Oh, you talk too much. I'm so sorry because you need to talk too much in live so that you can entertain your viewers. If I eat a lot of spicy, what? You will have an allergy reaction? Hi, Anon. I need to speak a lot more, guys, to entertain you. Hi, Anon. That's the job of a host. It's okay. I enjoy the food with no spicy. Okay. Hi, Anon. Hi, Piri. Do, alam mo ba, ang dami ko ng basher, do. Nag-bad trip ako. Do you accept challenge? If it's inappropriate, I don't accept it. If I eat a lot of spice, maybe some portion. Okay. Well, me, I like spicy very much. All kind of spices. Really? Sino ba to da? Kilala mo ba to da? Ghosty, who are you, Ghosty? Weirdology was scary, I think. Okay. Hi, Mr. Khan. Sino yan? Sino yan? Binabash ako niyan dao. Magkakilala pala. I believe in my nose and body load. Really? Like, oh my god, that's very weird. Hi, Nawaf. Thank you for the top. Oh. I'm 61%. Ipapalala ko lang account. Para alam nyo lang. Account. Sino to? Sino to sa numbers? Really? Your eyes trick? Your eyes are bleeding if you eat spicy? Sino utol? Sino utol? Hi, Jenner. Last time I saw blood from spicy. Really? That's a weird allergy. Thank you, Jenner. Okay. Ay! Kuya Spade! Ikaw yan, Kuya Spade! Busy ko, pa-shut up ka pa, ha? Buti I'm not a soft-hearted person. Ay! Alam mo talaga. Kuya Spade! Ikaw talaga, Kuya Spade. Follow mo na. Ano na kami mutual? B said, I always had a low potassium since birth. Oh, okay, low potassium. Is there any cure to that? I was born. Oh, okay. There's a very fun fact about you, Clyde. Emergency birth, my mom. Oh my god. How's your mom now? Hi, Idea. Hi, Almer Gorin sa to. Daming account ni Kuya Spade. Hindi ko na maalala lahat yun, Kuya Spade. Talaga. Ano ba account mo? Spade, numbers. Yun lang ata eh. Hi, Deadman Walking. Surprise, a very healthy, strong, and healthy person after 20. Oh, that's good to hear. Marami pa yan. Kuya Spade, you have a lot of accounts. Hi, Irby. Pero at least I know your accounts na. So, hindi na ako ma-scam. Hindi na ako matatry ma-scam. Hi, Victor. The doctor said I wouldn't survive a week after born. Oh, and now you're living 26 years. Hi. But good. But God is good. I'm so here. Yes, very good. And now you have a very, very, ito lang, to productive, tsaka you. Ah, yun, yung madman. Okay. Really? You don't look like 33, Clyde. What you said earlier that you're 26? Hello? Hello, ears. Are you joking, Clyde? Hello, guys. Nababatak yung English ko dito, Kuya Spain. Crazy life struggle. How old are you, Clyde? Hello, Isaac. ICQ. Parang pinasabak na ako dito. Really? You don't look like 33, really? Hi, Fernando. Hi, Hilbert. My maganda is a pretty title. Hello, Argo Bima. I'm very sleepy. Thank you so much, Clyde. You're very supportive. Hello, guys. Clyde is very supportive to me, guys. Hey, no one. I'm very grateful. Hello, Abdi Hatinsan. Hello, Van Helsing. Thank you for the type. Always. What time you will sleep, Clyde? It's already late. Hi, Anon. Soon, okay. Just tell me when you will go to sleep, okay? Hi, Daniel. So I could know that I don't have someone to do ano. Hi, Zoom. Hi, Yoshi. We have the same name. Hi, Grace. Okay. Hi, Zoom. Hi, Moon. Hi, Rizal. I don't like leaving you alone. Hello, dog. Why, Clyde? You should rest. Hi, Bastian. You need to gain your energy back. Hi, Esman. Hey, Rodrigo. Hi, loves kita. Hi, Rodrigo. Oh, I will change the quota because Clyde gave me 100. So it's now 6.8k. Thank you so much, Clyde. Hello, Mark Twain. I like giving you company moral support. And I really appreciate it, Clyde. Really, I really appreciate it. Hi, AJ. And kindness and all. Hello, Idea. You know, I'm very, very lucky to find you, Clyde.